Alright, just a little video here for you on these 2-pill pp100s. Only got a couple of these left at $200 a pop. And I want to show you what they'll do, okay? We'll start with the Striker 955. 5-watt slug. We'll run it at 5 watts. 100-watt slug. Average power. Hello. About 28 bird. Peak power. Hello. 80 watts. Hello. 14 volts flat. Pull the 100-watt slug out. 1000-watt slug in. Average power. Flip it on. That 5-watt in gets you over 100 bird average. Hello. Right there's 240 bird. Peak power. Hello. Almost 600 peak, about 590. Alright, so you're not going to use that hot of a radio. Be right back. Alright, I've got the 955 hooked up. I'm sorry, the 2950. 5-watt slug. It's about a 4.5. Go to 100-watt slug. Average power. Hello. 13-14 bird. Peak power. Hello. 42 peak. 100 out. Same 1000-watt slug back in. Average power. Flip it on. Right about 100 watts. Hello. Right at 180 bird. Peak power. Hello. Just shy of 500 peak, about 490, 495. Alright. So, you're going to run a 29. This is a completely stock 29 other than the dial-a-watt. I'll be right back. Alright, and there's Cobra 29. 5-watt slug. About 4.5. 100-watt slug. Average power. Hello. Right about 8 bird. Peak power. Hello. 24 peak. 100-watt slug out. Same 1000-watt slug in. Average power. Flip the 2-pill pp100 on. There's your 100-watt carrier. Hello. About 150 bird. Peak power. Hello. 440 peak. We're just a Cobra 29 driving it. So there you have it. Got a couple of these left. $200 a pop. Plus the shipping. transcievers@gmail.com. Bump bump.